Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods channel. This week we're going to be working on the ZL1 style hood heat extractor. This is all carbon fiber, so I sure wouldn't want to drop it. It's really shiny. And here's this is the rain pan. This goes up under the hood. Some people put this on, some people don't. Really not much of a pan. I mean, I don't know where the rain would go besides on top of your motor. But that's what it'll look like when it gets installed. So the first thing we need to do is take off the cover that's up under the hood. You need a tool like this so you can pop them little plastic retainer clips off. Hopefully it's not too dark under here. Just got to pop all these out of here. I think we about got it. Right in this area, right in here is where we're going to be cutting. So we'll have to cut into these ribs also. Cut them down so we can insert the hood heat extractor. So that's going to be fun. Okay, the next step on this, we need to get it laid out. So we need to find center line in here. So the easiest way to find a center line is to go up under the hood. Right up under here. Right in here center. Then you get a piece of tape about as wide as that. Stick it up underneath. Looks pretty close. It don't have to be exactly perfect. You can be with a 1/16, you know. As long as you're pretty close. As long as you're not ½ inch off. Now we'll flip it back up underneath there. That's 2-inch tape. So all you gotta do is go to the 1-inch mark and you got your center line. Center line on the front of the hood is real easy to find. It's just got a little groove at the top of it. Now we're ready to start taping the hood. We'll just go on the other side of the mark. This is going to be your center line right here. Now we're going to build this tape on out to here. The edge of this lip right here. To the curve right here on the hood. Yeah, I thought it was funny. A friend of mine at work and also my wife was saying I was crazy for cutting the hood open in this car that I hope I wouldn't mess it up. But I've been, not bragging or anything, but I've been cutting. First hood I cut out was when I was in high school. Remember the Ford Mustang 2s? Had a Cobra 2, and I had a fake hood scoop on the top of it. But yeah, I would take that hood scoop off and cut out the fiberglass on the front of it, then cut out the hood and made it a real one. I don't know why any manufacturer would want to put a fake anything on top of on a car. But anyway, I think I did about 3 of them clear back in high school. Pretty easy. I didn't go through all this trouble. I just took the hood scoop off and got a jigsaw and started cutting. Drilled 4 holes in every corner and started cutting it out. Yeah, so this is not that hard if you just take your time. And now that's all done. The next thing we need to do is get this template out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. Cut all these lines out. Here's your drill holes here. And then 2 more in the back. I'm going to go ahead and cut this out so I can lay it real nicely on top of the tape. Then I'll draw my lines around it. So I'll get this cut out and be right back. Okay, now that it's all cut out, you can really see where you're gonna cut out at, right in here. So I found my center line on this paper. Just line it up with the line on the car, right up there. We'll get it all taped down. Then all we have to do is mark out this center right here and mark out where you're gonna drill at. So I need to cut these so I can make me a hole right here. Okay, I got the template all taped down. Got the holes cut for the bolt holes. So now we're ready to start marking it out. Now I'll get these bolt holes. Just cut you a slit in there somewhere and just gotta need to see where you're gonna drill. We're gonna lay this up on here, see how everything lines up before we pull the template off. Check to see where your bolt holes come down. This also just verifies that's the right template for this part here. Everything looks good. Okay, we'll put this thing back in the box. Anyone recognize what this box is? Put down in the comments below what you think it is. Okay, now we're ready to pull the template off. These bolt holes a little bigger. Okay, we're gonna lay this out. Help protect the motor while we're cutting on it. Okay, we got our drum roll set up. We got the cutoff wheel on it. That's the easy lock, 1.5 inch metal. So this is the point of no return. Once you start making your first cut,